Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si G. Tanji. Welcome to Kababayan Today. We are very fortunate that here on our show, we always get legal advice, rather, from our very trusty Aquino and Loew friends. So, ladies and gentlemen, you get a chance to call us today po here on Kababayan Today with Aquino and Loew.
This American Dream segment is brought to you by Aquino and Loew Law Firm, answering your immigration questions.
Yes, we all have an American dream, and it's important that we do it the right way. We have Aquino and Loew here para makatawag po kayo sa amin. Please call us. We're about to discuss all these topics that are happening in immigration. But firstly, let's discuss the U.S. Supreme Court decision on same-sex marriages issued last Friday, June 26th, making it legal throughout the country. So, what do you guys perceive of this, Richard?
Well, for immigration purposes, not a whole lot of changes, because last year the Supreme Court struck down the Defense of Marriage Act. And basically, since that time, the administration has been moving to make all immigration processes recognize same-sex marriages. So that includes petitions by a spouse or a fiancé or for other purposes. So it's been moving already. But what this decision does is basically cement that now, so that.
So it's not like the DACA or the DAPA that they might decide that one day, sorry, we're going to revoke that.
That's right. This is the law of the land now, and you can rest assured that your petitions will be looked at just like anybody else's petitions, and you can move forward now in peace, with peace of mind that that's going to be the law of the land.
Well, yeah, hey, we're very, very happy about that. Absolutely. We're not so happy, Ali. Unfortunately, we heard another retrogression in the EB, or employment-based visas for Filipinos, apparently from 2005.
Exactly.
Back.
It keeps going backwards. And so 2 months ago, it was at 2007. It went backwards to 2005. And just recently, immigration announced that now it's completely unavailable and closed. And so that's the bad part. And it's essentially based because there's only a limited number of visas every single year, and they've already exhausted that number of visas for this particular fiscal year. So what individuals need to realize, Filipinos need to realize, is that in the employment-based categories for skilled and unskilled workers, which is the majority of people, that's completely closed right now. Visas will become available again starting in October, which is the start of the fiscal year.
Okay, we are here. We have our attorneys from Aquino and Loew. Please give us a call, 1-800-553-5724. They're here to answer your immigration questions. Rich, before anything else, please update us on the granting of the prosecutorial discretion. It's a big word, especially for those in removal proceedings.
Yes, again, last year we had the administration move to sort of change their priorities as who they were going to go after to remove from the United States. And in doing that, they started to clear the dockets of the removal cases of people who aren't a priority. And most of those people are people who've been here for a long time, don't have any criminal history, and don't have any serious immigration problems, such as fraud or other issues in that sense. And so it's still available. It's something that you should really look into if you're in removal proceedings, because it's important. In fact, just yesterday, we closed a case that had been pending since 2010 in the court systems based on prosecutorial discretion.
All right. Well, congratulations on that then, closing that case. We do have a caller. Unfortunately, I want to remind our viewers in Hawaii that we cannot take your call because we are on Los Angeles time. But not to worry, pwede po kayong magsulat sa amin sa Kababayan at la18.tv. Kasama naman natin ngayon si Roel from Los Angeles. Roel, nandyan ka ba?
I'm here.
Hello, ano po yung tanong ninyo para sa ating mga immigration attorneys from Aquino and Loew?
Hi, good afternoon. I just want to thank you for taking my call now. My question is, my sister-in-law had a petition. It was a family petition. It was done by her father. Now, the problem is the father died last May, and the priority date came through in September. So she got her notice and she got her letter to appear at the Manila embassy for interview. But the thing is, from what I heard, if the petitioner dies, the petition dies with it as well. Is there any recourse or any solution to this? Like she can still come. I've heard that under humanitarian grounds it's still possible. And what are the costs for this if it's still possible?
Yes, so is it still possible na matay na yung magpipetition? Paano yun? Pwede pa ba? May kaso pa ba?
Absolutely. Absolutely, there are at least some measures that he can go ahead and try to move forward on. There are different rules for when an individual is still overseas or when an individual is here in the United States. And so generally speaking, like the caller had indicated, the petition is automatically canceled when the individual is overseas. The petition is automatically canceled when the petitioner passes away. But there are applications or a request for humanitarian reinstatement that his sister-in-law can go ahead and place in order to try and have that petition be revived. Immigration knows that there are many situations where individuals would suffer such harm if they were not allowed to come and reunite with their families, potentially obtain medical treatment that they might need to get here in the United States. So there are some circumstances where that avenue can be pursued.
That's right, and those circumstances mean a four-letter word, hope, and that hope is what's going to bring us all together as families, which is so important. Magbabalik po kami dito sa Kababayan Today, kasama pa rin natin ang Aquino and Loew. We'll be right back.